Good morning everyone. So here we are on my third vlog for my little stay in Jamaica, and we're heading out to Ocho Rios today. I think this may very well be my first Jamaican vlog where we're actually going somewhere that really fits in with the Trini Surfer element, which is lots of nature and hopefully beaches and waterfalls. But much like everything else I've done in Jamaica, I don't really know the game plan until we actually go out on the road. So it's exciting for myself and for you because nobody really knows how this day is going to turn out. Jamaica has been fantastic. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Lots of fantastic food and different things, but I've spent the majority of my time in Kingston thus far. So it's nice to go to somewhere new today, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Come along with me. Let's go and see what Ocho Rios has to offer. Blessings. Alright guys, so here's our fantastic tour guide over the last few days, and she's going to give us a breakdown on what we're doing today.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Marsha Roberts and I'm a Senior Business Development Officer with the Jamaica Tourist Board. Today we'll cruise on over to Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios is known as the centerpiece of Jamaica because it has a lot of attractions, namely Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain and Island Village, Choco.
Okay, sound good. So you think it's going to be a great day for everybody involved?
Fantastic, fully loaded.
All right, and thank you very much for your great service and all your knowledge for our entire trip so far. We're looking forward to it.
My pleasure.
Blessings.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See it.
Alright guys, so we've just reached Mystic Mountain here in Ocho Rios, and let me give you a little bit about what you can expect while we're here. What we can expect?
Hello again.
Yes.
We have arrived at the Mystic Mountain Rainforest and Adventure Tours. We will be cruising up to the mountains via skylift to the park, and as soon as we have arrived in the park, we will be partaking in the various activities to include the ragamuffin ride. See you there.
Nice, thank you. So to reinforce everything she was just saying, this place here, what we're really going to be doing is, I believe you take a kind of cable car style thing that rides you up into the mountain, and up there they have like different rides and activities you could do. But already here in Ocho Rios we are seeing that I'm seeing rivers and flowers and that kind of stuff, whereas before in the last few vlogs I was in Kingston. It's truly beautiful already. A lot of tourists and stuff are around as well because there's 2 cruise ships in harbour, but that's to be expected. So that's and of course, just like most places in the Caribbean, they have coconuts cut in and that kind of thing. Oh boy, cutting out some jelly.
Yeah, man.
Very nice. Good stuff, good stuff. You'll see the Mystic Mountain Rainforest and Bobsled Jamaica. You may have seen this bobsled. You know they have that show with the bobsled Jamaican team, so they're obviously playing on that a little bit, but it's a cool vibe. So we're heading up now.
How are you guys doing today?
Very good.
Awesome. All right, so Mystic Mountain, of course, has 3 unique, well, let me say 5 unique and exciting excursions, all right? And today you're able to experience at least 2 of those excursions. All right, so we're basically one of the hottest attractions here in Jamaica, and of course, it's a privilege for us to have you guys here with us today. Your adventure today, of course, will begin with the Sky Explorer. So the Sky Explorer, guys, will take you 700 feet above sea level. Now going up to this mystical mountain, you get to view the entire coastline of Ocho Rios. All right, so if you're afraid of heights, don't be worried because you will be distracted, of course, by the wonderful view going up. You might hear one of the birds singing one of Bob Marley's songs. There's a natural.
So I'm already inspired for some of this lovely water here. Starting to see some real Jamaican action. I like it. Unreal. Alright, come on.
Make sure you hold the phone safe, alright?
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
So we're heading up on the lift now. Some bright, blazing sunshine.
How fabulous is this?
It is fabulous, right?
So real bright sunshine and we tail up here.
Sun hot.
Hot sun. And it's a 15-minute ride up on this.
You enjoying it?
We have some friends down there. We'll see you guys later. Yeah. And as we go, we're gonna get more and more views. So we're about a quarter way up. I would advise anybody coming on this to for sure put on sunblock and wear a hat because it's straight sunlight licks in your face for about 15 minutes. Like everybody just looking
Burning.
shiny. But the views.
Die for.
Wow.
Not literally because we want to see it again. Yeah.
Ride here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done with.
So after putting my sunblock to the test, we are finally arriving at the top.
My way, I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. Don't even know flowers.
So when you get to the top of Mystic Mountain, there's a couple of things you could do. There's like arts and craft and that kind of stuff. But there's two rides. One is Ragamuffin roller coaster and the other one is a bobsled ride that you can do. So we are heading to the roller coaster part right now to check it out, and then we'll do the bobsled. Some people coming down the water slide into the pool.
It looks like the one in the Smoky Mountain, the one that they have there.
Yeah.
It looks very similar. It's not like
Me and Hungry Belly here. My boy laughing. Oh, yes, my brother. Blessings. And we gone. So this is the Ragamuffin ride. Vlogging a roller coaster right now. That's how we do. I'm gonna switch it into hyper speed now before this thing pelt me off. Woo! Action! This thing is twisted and turning us all over the place. Woo! That wasn't so bad. That was some good fun, man. Look at the views.
I don't think it was too bad at all.
Lift your feet. Lift your feet. I'm getting escorted up to the tower to get a panoramic view and some pictures with the real camera. What's your name, my partner? Where's your camera shy? Look at those views. So this right here, you essentially take a little tour through a little kind of bush path or something, and then it's 1,000 meters long. You come back up, and that's it there. I don't imagine it's going to be too much excitement. But let's see how much speed we can build up. Maybe time off. Yeah, a little bit of speed building up. So yeah, that was the ride there. It was actually cooler than I thought. You could go a lot faster than I initially thought. And then it stops you at that point behind us there. And a kind of automated thing takes you back up on top here. So you see us heading up there. And that's the ride there. Back into the sunlight and back to the start. Yeah! Well guys, Mystic Mountain was a good vibe. hot as hell, but a good vibe. We enjoyed the little roller coaster and even the, what do you call that thing we went on? Bobsled, yeah.
That
So
was
now it's another 15-minute ride. Now this thing is real beautiful, but I can't stress enough, bring your hat and bring your sunblock because you will get sunburned. You're trapped here for 15 minutes in this thing here. Burning. So that was Mystic Mountain. A good vibe kind of place all around. Also, just in case you're wondering if you're coming to this park, apparently it's $179 US for foreigners like myself, and that gets you access to everything. You ride up things we didn't even do on this vlog, such as ATVs and different stuff, and it's $50 US for locals, Jamaicans. So yeah, that's the pricing there, but good vibes. I think it's a fair price considering all you get and all you can do up there. So guys, we're inside a place called the Moon Palace Hotel right now. I'm not gonna fully vlog this. I think we're just here to have a look and also maybe to eat some food, but I'm just going to show you the lobby area, how cool, and it looks out towards like where the cruise ships and stuff park up. So let me show you. So I went to the buffet over there and I thought there was only one section, but coming down to the end I realized there's about 5 more sections, and now that's what my plate looking like there. Some people will say it's excessive, but you're on vacation and my wife don't want no skinny man, right? So
And if you have hungry belly, I would say it's necessary.
it's necessary. I'm a growing young boy and I need this for my bones, right?
Alright, this is special.
And we're running to the car to make it to the river and waterfall. So we're getting to go. Blessings, let's do it. So after lots of drama and back and forth, they nearly didn't let us go to the falls. Our great tour guide had to go out and beg and bully them a little bit, and they've agreed to give us a tour guide and give us a little rush tour up into the falls and the river here. So it closes at 4 p.m. We reach here at 4 p.m. and there was a lot of pleas and begging and heavy-handedness, but we're gonna get at least a glimpse and a little walk up into this river called Dunn Falls. Very popular destination in Jamaica. Apparently it's beautiful, but also can be very ram-packed with people and tourists and things. But nonetheless, at least we get a glimpse. A little late in the evening, so it might be a little dark and stuff on the camera, but make the best of it. That's how things fly in Jamaica, and we're gonna do what we can do. So let's go and see how it's looking. What's your name, my boy?
Andrew Macmillan.
Macmillan. Andrew Mellon.
No, number 8.
Ooh, number 8.
Macmillan. Nice.
That's the
And
number.
and if you love it, you can come here. It's good.
I know here is good.
Nice.
I've been waiting this for a whole trip.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
It's called the whirlpool area, and a lot of people can actually stop here. You don't need to go further to what they call the climb. You can just stay here and swim, and it's absolutely beautiful. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead! Shark! Shark! So the light is a little bad, so hopefully the GoPro can hold up, but this is the part where we start the climb, and they're heading up like a kind of staircase up the waterfall there. My boy, any rock there? Yes, I is. Yes, brother. Woo! Simple, very simple thus far, but beautiful. Sorry? I did. Look at my now gone down there. 3, 2, 1. And he's gone forever.
Careful, careful, careful.
Yeah.
You want to go?
Right, 3, Okay, never mind.
No, I'm rocking.
Walk there, boy, walk there.
Stand up, stand
Go
up.
down there, boy, go down there, boy.
Hold him, hold him, rocking.
And now you've been baptized. I have the crew moving with me behind me. That Congo line, come, let me go.
Hold him. Let's just try to do it tonight. Hey, walk. Hey, here. Hey.
It's not disappointing, even in the nice late evening. What an impressive looking place, I ain't gonna lie. Double River! Yeah boy, love picture, love video. Get on board. I love it. That's right. Could you imagine here some heavy rain? My God. So there, sir, how are you enjoying your waterfall experience?
This is brilliant, man. Loving it.
Loving it, eh?
Yeah, man.
Is it refreshing?
Refreshing after a hard day in the sun.
A hard day in the sun, that's right. Man, what an experience. Look at him. Yes, right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, boy. Good evening, sir. I'm from Channel 6 News. How are you enjoying your waterfall experience?
Excellent. You can't miss this. This is it by the bomb. Anytime you come to Jamaica, don't miss this.
Don't miss it. You look very relaxed, sir.
Very. Man, I want to move.
Well, guys, that ends the amazing day 3 here at Dunfalls River. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this. Jamaica has been great to me. I believe tomorrow we might be going up into the mountains for some coffee in the Blue Mountains. But I have to say, day 3 has captured my heart. What a fantastic experience. And I've just seen a glimpse of the beauty Jamaica has to offer. I'm coming back. There's so much beauty in Jamaica, in Trinidad, in all the world, and in the Caribbean islands in particular as well too. Not disappointed at all. I hope you look to visit, and I hope they bring me back to really squeeze everything Jamaica has to offer. Blessings and love, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Big love, bless up. I haven't bathed in 3 to 4 days now. I smell like crap. Everybody won't come near me, so now it's time to wash off my head in a natural kind of ideal way.